हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू वी इंस्टीट्यूट। मैं कुसुम कुमार आपके साथ। यहाँ मैंने कलेक्शन किया है प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन का, जो टीजीटी पीजीटी में रिपीटेड क्वेश्चंस हैं। फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आती है तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें। सो लेट वी स्टार्ट। Question number first, transformation in a Diplococcus pneumoniae was discovered by option number A, Frederick Gibbs, B, Avery and McLeod and McCarthy, C, Ginder and Lederberg, D, Lederberg and Totem. Right answer is option number A, Frederick Gibbs. बैक्टीरिया में जेनेटिक रिकॉम्बिनेशन 3 टाइप का होता है: ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, ट्रांसडक्शन एंड कंजुगेशन. By unknown mechanism, the transfer of genetic material from one bacterial cell to the another is called transformation. It was discovered by Griffith in 1928. But the detailed study was given by Avery and McLeod and McCarthy. They explain the chemical nature of a gene on their experiment. जिंडर एंड लीडरबर्ग ने ट्रांसडक्शन दिया था. By bacteriophage virus, the transfer of genetic material from one bacterial cell to the another bacterial cell called transduction. It was discovered in Salmonella typhimurium bacteria. लीडर एंड टोटम ने कंजुगेशन दिया था. द ट्रांसफर ऑफ जेनेटिक मटेरियल बिटवीन बैक्टीरियल सेल बाय अ ब्रिज लाइक कनेक्शन कॉल्ड पिल्लाई is called conjugation. Question number 2. Which of the following bacteria is associated with denitrification? Option number A, Pseudomonas, B, Theobacillus, C, both A and B, D, none of these. Right answer is C, both A and B. Some bacteria convert nitrate or nitrite into nitrogen gases. They decrease the fertility of a soil. These bacteria are called denitrifying bacteria. Question number 3. Bacteria which have comma shaped are classified under option number A, Coccus, B, Bacillus, C, Vibrio, D, Spirillum. Right answer is option number C, Vibrio. On the basis of shape, bacteria are different type. Round shaped bacteria called Coccus. Coccus is also a different type: Micrococcus, Diplococcus, Streptococcus, Staphylococcus cercini. Bacillus is a rod shaped. Vibrio is a comma shaped, and Spirillum is a coil shaped. Question number 4. Choose the wrong. Option number A, pneumonia, Diplococcus pneumoniae, B, typhoid, Salmonella typhimurium, C, tetanus, Clostridium tetani, D, cholera, Pasteurella pestis. Wrong answer is option number D, cholera, Pasteurella pestis. Cholera is caused by Vibrio chlori, and Pasteurella pestis is the agent of a syphilis. Syphilis is a sexually transmitted disease. Question number 5. Choose the wrong. Option number A, citrus canker, Xanthomonas citri, B, potato wilt, Pseudomonas, C, crown gall of sugar beet, Agrobacterium, D, none. Right answer is option number D, none. Question number 6. Villi in a bacteria are helpful in a option number A, asexual reproduction, B, location, C, conjugal contact, D, transduction. Right answer is option number C, conjugal contact. Transfer of genetic material between bacterial cell by a bridge-like connection is called villi. Question number 7. Antibiotics cure disease by option number A, competitive inhibition, B, fighting with disease causing organism, C, turning the pathogen out of the body, D, removing the pain. Right answer is option number B, fighting with disease causing organism. Antibiotic is a use for a curing infection. Question number 8. Choose the wrong. Option number A, diarrhea, Bacillus coli, B, leprosy, Mycobacterium leprae, C, tuberculosis, Mycobacterium tuberculosis, D, syphilis, E. coli. Syphilis is caused by Treponema pallidum and E. coli is a agent of a gastroenteritis. Question number 9. The smallest free living organism. Option number A, virus, B, mycoplasma, C, cyanobacterium, D, none. Right answer is option number B, mycoplasma. Mycoplasma, formerly called PPLO, pleuropneumonia-like organism. Its size is about 0.15 to 0.30 micro. Question number 10. Cyanobacteria are option number A, virus infecting blue-green algae, B, cyanophysian member which infect bacteria, C, autotrophic prokaryotes with blue-green pigment, D, bacteria which infect cyanophysian. Right answer is option number C, autotrophic prokaryotes with blue-green pigment. Cyanobacteria is a group of photosynthetic bacteria. Some of help in a nitrogen fixation. For example, nostoc, Anabaena, Rivularia, etc. They have a chlorophyll A with phycocyanin pigment. Phycocyanin pigment blue-green color to the cyanobacteria. थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स. अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें. थैंक यू.